Good morning. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung difference ng Honda Civic FD 1.8S sa difference sa 1.8V. So, tara. Ano yung advantage ng Honda Civic FD 1.8S compared to V variant? Pero outside look, they look similar. Yung size is 16CS, si V is 15. Itong gauge panel natin looks the same pero may SRS airbag steering wheel. So, itong kay V variant is wala. Stock seats ni S, ayan, medyo navy blue na fabric. And then si V variant naman, ayan siya, na medyo light color. Itong kay S, meron tayong SRS airbag. Ayan yung kay V, wala. So medyo light color. Itong si S variant natin is medyo dark or navy blue yung color. Even yung sidings, may kita mo may line. Back seat, ayan, fabric din siya na medyo navy blue na dark color. Shift knob almost the same and then adjustable armrest pero fabric pa rin yung pinaka-armrest ni 1.8S. And dito, nag-upgrade lang tayong monitor na merong reverse cam. So safe